Welcome to the SECOORA Hurricane Data Tool. It is your one-stop spot for accessing data collected along the paths of hurricanes. This is the landing page for the Hurricane Data Tool. You will see there are 4 past hurricanes featured. For each hurricane, you will get a quick snapshot of the highest wind gusts, highest wave heights, and lowest barometric pressure recorded by monitoring stations that we know about. Today, we're going to explore Hurricane Florence data. Over to the right, you will find the highest wind gusts, highest wave heights, and lowest barometric pressure recorded for the whole hurricane duration. We are featuring 2 data sets for each parameter. Then to the left, you'll see the National Weather Service final best track for Hurricane Florence. If you hover over each dot, you will find the storm category, the storm type, minimum sea level pressure, and wind intensity. These values were published by the National Weather Service National Hurricane Center. The green dots represent when Florence was a tropical storm. The yellow dots are Category 1 hurricane, the gold dots are Category 2 hurricane, the orange dots are Category 3 hurricane, and the red dots are Category 4 hurricane. If you click on a dot, it will pull the local data within 50 miles. If there are no monitoring stations within 50 miles, only values from the NCEP Global Forecast System will be displayed. Today we're going to look at the data just right before Hurricane Florence made landfall in Wilmington Beach, North Carolina. As you see, it is pulling data from 50 miles. Each gray numbered dot represents a station collecting data. It can be a coastal station, buoy, or other monitoring station. There are 18 data stations featured. Over to the left in the gray legend, you will find the data. The first data set is the nationally acclaimed NCEP Global Forecast System model that many of the monitoring stations' data sets are incorporated into. This helps improve the modeled data. Beneath that, you will find the data for each station. If you hover over one, you will see the map makes the dot a darker gray so you know what station this data is being pulled from. LEJ3 is a SECOORA buoy. It recorded 49 mile/hour winds. Now we'll move on to selecting a different variable. It currently displays wind speed, but you can change that. Let's say we want to look at wave heights and wave directions. There are fewer stations collecting wave heights. You will see the map to the left reflects this. LEJ3 is 0.1 again and recorded 22.8 feet waves. That is roughly as tall as 4 6-foot persons stacked on top of each other. If you click on the station in the legend, it will pull up the data from the last week. Hit the back button to get back to the map interface. Alright, now that was a quick tutorial on how the Hurricane Data Tool works. We loved feedback on this, so please comment on this video or email communications@secoora.org. Thanks so much for joining us.